everyone! It's New Year's Eve today and it's currently 2 p.m. So today I will be cooking up a meal. Not really a meal, but sure. I will be cooking up a meal for my family, and my sister and my brother's friends are also coming. So it will be quite a big party. My mom will be making, I think, fried chicken and also pork ribs. And I will be making a salad, mashed potato, pasta, and also I think some grilled vegetables. I think that should be enough. We have like a party of, that's the 5 of us, and another 5 friends. So that would be like 10 of us in total. I'm really excited because it's been a while since I cooked for my family. So yeah, let's go grocery shopping together. Okay guys, I just got home. Some of the stuff weren't available at the store, but I want to show you what I got. Okay, so for the salad, I wanted to get arugula, but they don't have it anymore. So I guess we will be making a fruit salad with watermelon, grapes, and also cheese. My family don't like cheese, but the people that are coming are gonna like cheese, so I just got cheese because I like them too. The second is the grilled cheese. It's the grilled vegetables. I got brinjal, zucchini, broccoli because my sister likes broccoli, and then I got some, what's this, peppers, bell peppers, and then chickpeas. I'm not sure if anyone eats chickpeas. I don't even know if I eat chickpeas, but the recipe calls for chickpeas, so I got chickpeas, and also yogurt to make the sauce. And over here is mashed potato. I think I got everything I need. Just other than this, it's just salt and pepper. For the pasta, I got these pastas. Not sure how many I need, but I bought 2. And then I always buy extra tomatoes because I'm not sure how tomatoey I want it. And I got some cream, and I got some mixed herbs and parmesan, and also parsley. So I think that should be it. I'm gonna make myself a matcha right now because it's still quite early. And then I'm gonna put on some makeup, and then I'm gonna start prep. mother's punya phone. Okay, so I already put the olive oil, everything inside. Olive oil and salt, pepper. So now I'm gonna put this in the air fryer. Because the sauce needs the red pepper, so I'm gonna put some red pepper also. Okay, put the roasted garlic inside. Just keep it warm inside until it heat pepper. On. I will put 10 minutes first because I don't know how to use this thing. It looks like the bell peppers are done, so I'm gonna take those out, but I'm gonna leave the garlic in for a little bit longer. Okay, I'm gonna leave the garlic in for a little bit longer. Okay, my garlic is done. I hope it's done. Okay, I need to take it out. Smells good, but I don't know if it's done. So we need to open it to check it out. Let me show you. Do you think it's done? Okay, I think it's done. Okay, for now I'm gonna add all the rest of the veg in here. Look at it. I'm dreaming. Perfecto. I'm just gonna put this in. Done. Okay, now we have to move on to making the mashed potatoes. Okay, last one. That's 1 cup. 2 cups. Bit of cooking cream. Salt, pepper, right? I think. Belum lagi ya. Okay. Then we put the mashed potatoes now. And then put the butter. I'm gonna Okay, I'm gonna make the sauce for the vegetables. Huh? Sauce untuk panas gila. Suppose you press out, then can press everything out again. Okay, okay.
たまたま発見したの今度攻めようとかくだらないけど素晴らしい